Okay, let me walk you through how I make the beans that makes my daughter to like it so much. So if you have a child that doesn't like to eat beans, try this. In this pot, I already cooked these beans overnight. I cooked it, it's almost done before I switch off the light. I left it there to sit until morning. Why I do it is because it helps to reduce bloatment, like your stomach to be making noise after eating beans. I don't like it, so I like to cook it overnight for it to not to do that. So now I will put oil. I don't fry my oil. I don't too much believe in frying things. Like some people do fry. It's okay, but I don't do that. I put my oil. I put everything together. Once the beans is done, I put the onion, chopped onion. Inside here, I have blended crayfish and pepper. So I'm just gonna put all of them. Then I put my spices. I usually put a little salt because it needs to be tested. Then I have chopped ripe plantain. Not really well ripe, but almost ripe. So I will just put it. All these things are gonna cook together. You can see I don't have enough water inside, so I'm just gonna rinse this I used to blend and put the water inside. Then I will cover it to cook. If you have noticed, most times I don't use stainless spoon to cook because of a non-stick pot, so I always use wooden spoon. Then I cover it to cook. We'll come back to it later. Okay, let's see what we have after cooking it for like 10 minutes. Can you see that? Oh yeah, we still have a little. I don't really allow the water to dry so completely because so you're gonna give it a stir. At this point, this food is done because this water is gonna be absorbed in it. So don't make the beans so dry that when they're eating it, they will be biting it. So look at it. It's done. Enjoy.